You can pick multiple categories for who the new names will be generated. Choose from model or annotation categories and filter the categories list. Then pick parameters for each of these categories. You can choose from built-in parameters or shared parameters. You can add, remove, and reorder these parameters for each category. Add prefixes, suffixes, separators, and default values. The values from these parameters are used to construct new names for family types. And what is very unique for this app, you can even use compound structure parameter to add values from family structure layers, like layer material name and layer width. All of this information from parameters is used to construct new names for these family types, so you don't have to manually name family types ever again. Name your settings, save them, export settings file, and load them in different Revit model. For example, for different model with metric units, you can use settings with metric suffixes. You can send these settings to your colleagues so that whole team have same naming rules. Now settings for metric unit model is loaded and name rules use millimeter suffix. We can also add this suffix to compound layer width parameter. You can use parameter values from, for example, wall type structure to construct unique name that is easily recognizable and represent wall structure in the name itself. So you can differentiate between similar wall types. Click on Settings path and open folder where settings are stored. You can easily edit and localize RGB color names in settings file outside of this app because it is stored in human-readable JSON file format. And that's it. Clean up your model with name automation using Rename Pro.